Hey guys, welcome back to Skillsofted. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn photo into video using Kling AI. Alright, to begin with, make sure you're in the correct website, klingai.com. I want you to go to Creative Studio. Under Creative Studio, there's video generation. So click on video generation. Now let's say if you are in the home page, you can navigate it on the left navigation bar. You can see under AI generation, there's a video Kling 2.0. So you click on that and it will take you to image to video generation. Alright, so the first step is to upload your image. As you can see, I got an example AI image right here. So I'm going to upload it here and it will ask you to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with Google. It is the fastest and the easiest. Alright, if you don't have an image, at the bottom here, there are some examples you can use. Besides, you don't have to have an AI generated image. You can just use a normal photo. Right, so step 2 is to put in your prompt. This is also powered by DeepSeek. So you can click on DeepSeek. It will open a mini bar right here. It will analyze the image for us and create a video generation prompt for us. Look at that. Young boy and a robot walk across the desert. The shadow stretching under the swirling colorful sky, planets rotating slowly above. That is cool enough, alright? So I'm gonna hit use prompt and there you go. You can see our prompt is there. Cool. Last but not least is the third step, which is adding negative prompt. If you want, it is optional. So let's say I want to remove motion blur, so I'm gonna remove motion blur. And if there's anything specific that you want to remove, you can put it in, just put dash and you can write your prompt here, right? So cool. You even have the option to save as preset, so you keep it consistent and you can access your presets right here. Alright, so for your model, you can just choose standard or premium. Under the premium, you need to upgrade. As you can see, this is my account. This is the free account and this is the Kling AI premium plan. You can see we got a standard, pro and premier. We have the yearly and we have the monthly. If you want more features for flexibility, more generation and faster generation, you can always upgrade to premium. Besides the plan, you can also buy credits. It's a one-time purchase, so you can get some credits that you can use to generate videos, images, and much more. Do not forget, credits can expire. Alright, so we're going to keep it as standard. Now for your duration, you can put it at 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I'm going to keep it at 5. And for your output, there are 4 different outputs that you can use. These are the amount of sample videos that you can create, but I'm going to go with 1. Again, there's a VIP version. With the premium, you can access 4 different outputs. Okay, now without further ado, hit generate. It will cost 20 credit. Task submitted, generation in progress. So let's wait and look at the result. Alright, as you can see, the video is done. So let's take a deeper look. Look at that, how amazing that is. It has sound effects to it and you can see the camera movement and even the planets move at the background. Look at that. Wow, that is so cool, man. This is the power of AI. But there you go. Now there is also a next step. There is multi-elements, lip sync, AI sound. You can also modify by editing and retry. So ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can turn photo into video using Kling AI for free. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.